Let's change the job defaults in Backup Exec 21. One of the things about job defaults is if you go to run a new backup job, for instance, then you may have to reset up all of the backup job settings that you might have done in a previous backup. So for instance, if I go into my scheduled backup and click Edit, and then I click Edit again, I'll see a list of various different job settings. So for instance, how long I want to keep my storage, the data that I've just backed up, which network card am I going to use, notifications, test runs, all those different types of things. So what I can do is I can just go up to the top, choose the wheel, hit the drop down setting, and then choose job defaults. Now there's lots of different job defaults that we see here, and the most common one is going to be the backup to disk. If you have cloud storage and you want to change that, you can do that as well as synthetic backups, as well as other types of backups. So I'm going to choose the backup to disk because I'm using local storage for the most part, although I do have a cloud storage device as well. So I'm going to go in, for instance, and say that I want to default my storage from 2 weeks to 3 weeks. And I want to keep my incremental for 2 weeks as well. And let's say I want to make one other change. I'm going to go in and take verification and say do not verify any of my jobs. Makes the jobs run faster, and you can do verification manually on your own if you need to. And click OK. So now I'm going to create a new job and just make sure that those job defaults stuck. I'll go to a one-time backup to disk, although I could do this as a scheduled backup as well. I'm going to choose the agent-based backup, but it really doesn't matter which one you choose. And I'll click Edit, Storage. Yeah, look at that. It saved my storage to 3 weeks. Now, I'm not doing an incremental, so it doesn't show that one. And let's go to Verify, and we can see that it's not going to verify. So saving my job defaults actually carried over to creating a new job. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. So that's how you set up job defaults in Backup Exec 21, also 20, and older versions.